Good morning, good morning, good morning. It's Mike here. Hope you're having a great day or a night. We're in the craziness of my garage here. Today's video, guys, just got a phone call about picking up some stuff from a garage sale that I'm getting for free. So that's always neat. We're going to see exactly what they have and see if we can make any money from these items that I'll pick up. So stay tuned here. We're going to run over there in about 5 to 6 minutes. So let's see what we do today. Okay, just got back and some big stuff here. What we have here is just a treadmill. I had to take this because he wanted this gone. I've always had a hard time selling these. I did have it powered up a second ago and it does work, but man, these are rough to sell. So, but it's free, so that's a bonus. We'll see if we can get any money for it. We'll take some pictures of it and put it online and see if we get any cash. Okay, also got a Galaxy deep freezer here. It's in pretty good condition, depending on, well, based on the inside here, it's not that bad. I've had worse in these here. A little bit of rust right there. Nothing too bad, though. I'm going to get some of this goop off here. It does have some exterior flaws. It's got a ding right here. But other than that, it's got, what is this right here? It's got the, looks like some kind of service thing. But yeah, not too bad. I'm going to let it air out, and we'll take some photographs of this and see what we get for it. I've had good luck in the past selling storage freezers, and anywhere from $40 to $75 given the size. Based on this condition, I'm going to shoot for about 40 to 50 bucks. This next item here is it's a gas dryer, nothing too crazy. Everything works. Everything seems to do pretty well. This one is a gas one, and my house does not have gas. So I'm going to have my neighbor test it before I list it, but it appears to be in great shape, and nothing too crazy in terms of damage on it. Again, this is, I have had good luck selling washers and dryers in the past. This is about, I would say, I don't know, 50 to 60 bucks, maybe 80 because it's a gas dryer. Not a lot of people out here have gas dryers. So we'll take that, get this stuff photographed and get it listed and see what we make off it. Also snagged up these two batteries here. Just going to run some cords to them and see if they power up. If not, you can recycle batteries and make money out here in Arizona. I don't know about in other states, but these work. You know, I've sold these for $20, $30 and up. If not, we'll just sell them as is, which is whatever that core charge is, the recycler's charge. I think it's like $8 to $12. Also, a fish tank. I'm like a hoarder of fish tanks. I can really ever get rid of them. Whatever it is out here in Arizona, nobody seems to want fish tanks, but I did end up taking that. And then I also have here a set of tires and wheels, some radios down there. I believe these were off of a Honda Accord. Two tires are in good condition. One is pretty shot, but there's 3 rims there, so no center caps on those. So I might just sell the tires and then scrap the rims. I'm not too sure at this moment in time. When I show up the house, the guy was taking his saw and cutting these twin beds up. So I got one twin bed that's kind of cut up, and then there's one underneath there, a second one that I can sell. He said that he was going to rip them apart because he was going to throw it in the trash. So I know Kim wanted to work on a project with some wood. We always kind of hoard the wood for little projects we see or stuff she sees on Pinterest or stuff for repairs or even firewood, to be honest with you. But yeah, so one of these will be scrap. The other one we'll try to sell, I don't know, 10, 15 bucks. We'll see what we get for that locally. There was a box that I just went through, and there was really nothing too interesting to look through. Just went through it really quick and pulled out some stuff that I figured I'd keep. C Troop 1-4 Cavalry Rock Hard belt buckle. Seems to be pretty new. I believe this is the same as well. Cavalry pin. We also have this is basic screwdriver. I don't think it's anything special to that. And some change. So we got some quarters in there, some dimes. It looks like to me like that's beer money, boys. So there's some quarters in here. Can't beat free money, that's for sure. So I just listed one item and I forgot I didn't even videotape it, and it's sold. So I'm going to show you guys a picture right now of what it is. Basically, it's a weight bench here with a bunch of weights, and it's sold immediately on Facebook. I mean, my phone is still blowing up from all the people interested in this thing, even though I marked it sold. There was about, gosh, I mean, there was all these weights in there, and there was some bars, and all this cool stuff like that. And we ended up getting $160 for it, so you can't beat that for free. $160, man, for nothing about grabbing junkage and listing it online. All right, so I was showing you guys earlier in the video about the mattress there that had all that piece of wood. Well, I was hustling, moving this stuff over here and doing all this other stuff. Kim already cut the wood. You used your saw and cut this different lengths. What is this?
It's going to be a focal piece on a wall, and it's going to have a shelf on it. So it's going to hang upright.
Okay. With
this being the top, and then the shelf's going to go across here, and then I'm going to put stuff on it on the shelf.
Okay, so here's the shelf here. I don't know. It was in a video a long time ago. I got it at a garage sale for like $1. So we got it all cleaned up here. What colors do you use here?
There's a cherry stain, there's a mahogany stain, and I think a walnut.
Walnut. Yeah, it looks nice. So hopefully when this is finished here, we can take some pictures and show you guys. Where'd you get the idea for this at?
Pinterest.
Pinterest.
Somebody, I don't know, they bought it or something, and I'm like, buy it, I can just make it.
Yeah, right. Pretty slick looking, pretty slick. I forgot to show this when I was panning around at what I picked up, but I listed it right away and just left it in the trailer. Lady just came by, gave me $20 for this beat up mattress. I'll take it. Show me the money. All right, so how I got this job, I was at a garage sale about a week ago, and there was a guy there that was selling a bunch of stuff, and we were shooting the stuff, and he said that he had a bunch of extra stuff from a tenant. So he was a landlord, and I guess the guy bolted, and he had all this guy's personal belongings here he was trying to get rid of. So he's like, either you can take it for free, or it's just going to sit on the curb. So I said, yeah, I'll be more than happy to come by. I drove over there with my trailer, snagged it all up, and he had a bunch of other stuff there that truly was kind of garbage. I kind of just cherry-picked a lot of the stuff there. But it's good to, if you have the means for transportation to move some of this bigger stuff, it's well worth it. It's one of those things where, there's a lot of people in a lot of different circumstances where people don't want to deal with junk. They don't want to deal with big things. They'd rather just call like 1-800-GOT-JUNK or, the recycling companies or even Salvation Army to get rid of this stuff because they want it out of their house or their property. And this is the circumstance with this guy. He just wanted it gone. And, here it was. We were talking about it last week, gave him my name and number, and next thing he called me, and I got free stuff to sell. So, it's if you've got the room to store it, it's a bonus, but you never know what people are willing to get rid of or don't see any value in it or just don't want to deal with it. I'm your Venus, I'm your Zion, I'm your Zion. I'm your fire, I'm your desire.
You're gonna be stupid on your vlog. No, but what if the lady comes up and says, it's not cold?
You never know, people are. Alright, we're hustling a deep freezer at freaking 9 o'clock at night. That's how you do it, Hunter. Hunter, have you ever seen anything like this before? A straight up hustle? Did he just do an offer-up deal 20 minutes ago? What do you think about all this?
It's clickbait.
It's clickbait? Yeah. No, is it clickbait? What is clickbait? Now, what do you think? This deep freezer. Do you think she's coming?
Yeah.
It's not junk, though. Look at this. This is a nice little deep freezer.
The outside is, the inside is nice.
Yeah, look how nice it is. It's all nice and clean.
I cleaned it up.
You didn't.
Jasper?
All right, let's see if she shows up. A little hustle for the muscle. What do you think, though, Hunter? You ever seen anybody sell stuff like I do? Huh?
I gotta get your son in the vlog.
Yeah, Anthony, you want to play? All right, you're going to be the one putting this in her car. She's going to pull up with a small little Chevy.
And then
she's going to want it on top of the freaking
remember when we did that here on the vlog?
hood. Yeah.
Remember that? We did that antique shop?
Mm-hmm. Oh, here she comes. Here she comes. Hey, you guys are beating the crap out of each other. This isn't Cobra Kai over here. See? Cam, what do you think? Have you ever seen The Hustle? You've grown up with The Hustle, haven't you?
I've grown up with The Hustle.
All right, so the freezer's plugged in. This is how we do it. Right? Plugged in. It's running, right, Kim?
It is.
We don't sell garbage over there. Dude, you almost cracked your head.
Yeah, dude, that wasn't right.
And just like that, sold that deep freezer for $40. Not too bad for nothing but free stuff. We're $220 plus some change. And I've got other items to sell. That's what you got to do. It's called the hustle. You got to hustle and bustle. So overall, not too bad free stuff. I would encourage you again to go out there and look for free items. Put your name out there. Let people know what you do. Like I said, there's a lot of people out there that are just willing to get rid of their junk. You know, they don't want it. They want to be minimalistic. They're tired of looking at things. So you got to get in their face and get that stuff for free. Appreciate all of you guys watching today's video. Go out there and be great. Appreciate all the new subscribers to the channel here. If you're looking for more videos, there's plenty of videos on my channel here. I don't know how many I've got. Quite a bit. You can also check out my website, pickforprofit.com. Again, go out there, be great. Till next time, I'm out of here. Peace. Vlog.